Welcome back out to SoFi Stadium, and some interesting news over the past couple of days. Governor announcing some outdoor activities are now allowed, selling minimal tickets for amusement parks and stadiums that qualify, one of which being the 49ers. The 49ers would qualify. They could sell up to 14,000 seats for their games, but they were quickly shut down by Clara County, saying that's not going to happen, which is disappointing. I guess what they could do, if they wanted to, they could play at the San Francisco Giants baseball stadium. San Francisco is at the bottom of the tier with minimal health risk. Of course, they're not going to do that, but they could if they were really desperate to get some fans into their games. So here in LA County, we're still at Tier 1, but the cases have been going down recently. And if it got down to, I think, Tier 3, I've been seeing some signs around the stadium indicating precautions for when there are fans out here. So they may be getting things ready here. Who knows? Maybe towards the end of the season, fans could be allowed at SoFi Stadium. Let's check it out. We got people again up on the roof. It's amazing. Had 6 weeks, heading into week 7 now in the NFL, and there's still some kind of maintenance or work or whatever. It's like 2 workers here, and you can see their bags. One guy has, looks like there might be a couple of bags. The other guy on the left has I think one little bag. But week to week, it seems like there are some sort of maintenance issues that go on in that underneath the roof. So you can see here, there's a new street popping up with another light signal as well. This is a stadium drive turn off into some of the parking lots here. Lots D and E. Yeah, in between lots D to the left and then, sorry, lot E to the left and D to the right. Some more new official Inglewood city streets popping up here. Pretty cool. See, I like how they've incorporated the panels onto these signs. I wish they would do that on the freeway stadium signs. I think that would be a really cool touch. See, they're putting up a lot of signage there for kind of COVID related. So is that for possible fans in the future? You got more signage out here alerting the public or maybe fans. Be careful once you come out here. I don't know. arch. Let's take one more look at the performance venue. See this glass that's going up. See, it's still kind of open here in that back end of it. I don't know what that is. Okay. See all this additional equipment they've been installing up here. You can see over here at the NFL building, these composites are still continuing to go up. That'll cover up this, I think it's an HVAC system that cools and heats the building. So it looks like it's getting into more of a finished look. And east of the stadium, looking west, you can see some of my favorite segments of workers on the roof. So I don't know if they're working on some mechanical aspect of panels, the retracting panels. You can see on the ETFE, you can see those puck LED lights. Here's the other side of the performance venue. And you got lot G there next to that east end of the southeast end of the performance venue. And beyond the flagpoles there, you can see some of the retail restaurant district.